sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. May I know your good name?
Yes, sir. I am Prasad.
Yeah, Prasad. Can I have your resume?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Prasad, before going to forward, introduce yourself.
Myself, Prasad Vosu. My qualification is Master Computer Applications. I was in my Master Computer Applications at Vikram Sankar University, Nellore.
Yeah, okay. So, what is about your technical skills?
My technical skills is I know about Java basics and manual testing.
Yeah, okay. So, this interview is for manual testing. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, fine. Your resume you are mentioned, okay, manual testing and as well as course are fine. So, how can you report the bug to developer?
I can use it to report a bug to developer using priority and severity in the Excel or using Jira.
Yeah, okay. So, can I give defect ID and defect decision? These are
Yes, sir.
okay. So, can you give the answer? What is the difference between defect release and defect leakage?
Defect release means when the tester is known there is a defect on it is ready to release the market. It is known as defect release.
Okay.
What is it means and defect leakage, bug leakage means when the tester there is no, they don't know if there is a bug when they release in the market. If there is found any bug in the, there is any found bug or any mistake in the cloud environment, it is called bug leakage.
Okay. So, can you give the difference between alpha and beta testing?
Yes, sir. Alpha testing is presence in the alpha testing is during in the presence of tester environment. Beta testing is during at client environment.
Okay. So, can you explain BVA technique?
Yes, sir. BVA stands for boundary value analysis. This technique is used to
Checking the valid and
checking the valid or invalid data
ranges.
These ranges are classified into minimum, maximum, and average in invalid. On invalid testing, these ranges are minimum -1, maximum +1.
So, can you give the difference between positive and negative testing?
Yes, sir. Positive testing is used. Positive testing leads to check the data using check the data using valid data.
Yeah, okay.
Negative testing is used to check the data by the negative data,
Yeah.
by negative values.
So, invalid values.
Invalid values.
Okay, so which should be accept and which should be reject? Positive data will accept.
Yes, sir. Positive data will accept and negative data will not accept. It will be rejected.
Yeah, okay. So, can you give the answer for graphical user interface testing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the GUI testing?
GUI testing is a graphical user interface. It means the product is satisfied the users expectations are not in.
Like what we are checking exactly here?
Like it is used to checking graphics and modules like design, colors and text formats, etc.
Yeah, okay. So, what is security testing?
Security testing is used to check the data secure or not by the authentication or authorization process.
Okay, fine. And what is meant by recovery testing?
Recovery testing is when there is any unexpected action occurs in the software. It is then when the data is crashed or lost, we have used it to check the data recovery or not.
Yeah, okay. So, like backup is option.
Yeah.
So, what is meaning of compatibility testing?
Compatibility testing means it is classified into types: hardware compatibility and software compatibility. Hardware compatibility is checking whether in different types of browsers and platforms.
Checking in different operating
systems. And hardware compatibility is used to checking that we add extra like many devices or any.
Yeah, okay. Adding some hardware configurations and it was working on. Okay. So, can you explain the software development life cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Software development life cycle, it is a process used in software industries to develop a software with quality and accuracy.
Okay. And what are the phases available in software development like
There is some phases, software requirements, software gathering,
requirement gathering?
requirement analysis, software design, coding, software developing and testing, and deployment and maintenance.
So what is software testing?
Software testing is occurs at 4 levels:
Okay.
unit, system, integration, user acceptance. Software testing is used to test the developing product is working or not,
Yeah, working as per client
as per
requirement.
client requirements or not.
Okay. So why companies are doing this testing?
For quality software,
Okay, without testing can I release application to market?
yeah, it can possible, but it leads to high chance to failure.
Yeah, okay. So okay, I developed one application.
Yeah.
I released it to market. It was failed. Then we cannot able to maintain it.
Yes, sir, we can maintain it, but it leads to high cost and time.
Yes, I cost and
Time.
okay. So you said that the phase SDLC maintenance, software maintenance.
Yes.
So what's the meaning of software maintenance?
Software maintenance is the middle requirements are adding and updations and developing some features in the middle of the process of any application.
Okay, fine. And okay, so yeah, what is the meaning of verification?
Verification means to checking whether the data is working.
Process.
Process is called
Checking the
verification.
process. Okay. So what is the difference between white box testing and black box testing?
White box testing is done by the developer. It is a code level testing. Black box testing is done by the testers. That's at a system level and user acceptance testing.
Okay, so who is gray box tester?
Gray box tester, the tester who can work on white box and black box testing is called gray box tester. He can do coding and testing both.
When you can check the code level mistakes and as well as
As usually system level testing.
so it's known as gray box tester.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give some bug statuses?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bug status is high, medium,
That is priority status. I'm
Priority
asking
status.
about new,
and
reject, deferred.
new. When the tester is found a bug, is
Give the status new.
use that status new. When the developer is accepted, it is assigned.
Okay. Saying yes. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Then okay, fine, no problem. And what is the meaning of deferred bug? Deferred.
Deferred means it is check the priority, and it means is it major mistake or minor mistake to do postpone.
Yes, when there is a defect in low priority and
Low
low
priority.
severity, and at that time developers or testers having some other
Other
activities.
activity.
So in this time he will give the deferred.
Postpone.
Deferred means nothing but a postpone. Yeah. Okay, fine. Finally, so what is quality?
Quality means a software satisfies the complete user's expectations.
Yes. So the justification or satisfaction
Satisfy
of
the
all user requirements is known as
Quality.
quality. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Prasad. I think I done with my side. You have any queries to ask?
No, sir.
Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Prasad. Email.